Coin hoodie guy coming back with another Kaspa video. There's no more Aquaman. The address there, the number one address that did have 1 billion Kaspa is no more. But before we dive into that, could you please Mike Tyson like and subscribe button? Here you can see Kaspa's 14.5 cents. If you're looking to pick it up a little bit cheaper than it was, there you go. For me, I'm just patiently holding on to my bag. It's a broken record there, but that's what I'm doing there. And so we'll dive into that in a second. You can see proof of work, 24-hour mining revenue, Bitcoin 64 million, Doge 2.5 million, Kaspa 1.5 million. Obviously, Doge went up 6, 7%, 8% when Musk said that that SpaceX, or not SpaceX, that Tesla will maybe in the future here accept Dogecoin for car payments, purchases. I think right now you can buy merch, and then he said Dogecoin to the moon. Not super enthusiastic, but it's kind of a joke at this point. I know he had some lawsuits. Hash rate's looking good. Zoom out. That's what you like to see. Now let's take a look at that top address. It sent it to KuCoin, 66 million, and so most likely it's a KuCoin address, even though it hasn't been confirmed. Somewhere I saw on Twitter that it was sent to KuCoin, and so that means that most likely it's a KuCoin wallet, which I saw other people rumor it. So that's not too meaningful, but there's some decent sized action, but there's still only 27 million away from being an Aquaman again. Some other movement there you can see right here when you click on only the addresses. So 10 out of the top 17 had some action. This one 37 million in. So yeah, that's basically all. Basically we're just slowly waiting. The Rust rewrite, where it'll still be one block a second, but the Rust rewrite should be hitting the mainnet in a few weeks, and then 10 blocks per second still in the pipeline in the future. Smart contracts, all that different stuff, plus the catalyst of tier 1 exchange listings. When those will happen, we don't know, but just patiently waiting. There's a lot of other exciting stuff going on in the market, so I'm fine when some of my bags are just kind of going sideways while some other stuff's going up, and just being patient and waiting for the money to rotate back into the narrative that fits what I'm doing. You can see Bitcoin did get under 70,000. It's kind of bounced back a little bit. Meme coins are hot. You can see that the dog with hat actually passed Kaspa, so it's it's just ripping and roaring. $3.41, 3.4 billion. So it doesn't make sense really, but if you're patient and narratives, it shifts around. The memes will kind of taper off, and some other narratives will pick up. So stay bullish, my friends. Let me know what you think about Kaspa's price action. What are you excited about? Are you worried? And what do you think about all those meme stuff going on? So thanks for watching, and have a good day.